So we're at the Coffee Time Bar in Carmarthen tonight, and we've been launching Catherine David's novel Random Deaths and Custard, a sequel to the equally poignant, equally comic Random Deaths and Custard.
And it's a special occasion because it's an opportunity to see family and friends and read part of the book to them, and they've been a huge part of supporting me along the way, so it's just a celebration really.
She's looking over at Pauline, who's doing the tuna mayonnaise, talking at her as she always does, blabbing away about the signed photo of Les Dennis she's hoping to get value. Pauline's mixing all the tuna up like cement and putting it in a big plastic container into the glass. Old tuna mayonnaise and new tuna mayonnaise all mixed up together. All shiny underneath the yellow lights in the glass. Then she just stares at the stuff, looking as if she wants to jump into it. Leaning forward, she pushes the kitchen door open ever so slightly and peers inside. "See him by there?" she whispers, staring over towards a young man who seems to be peeling some kind of vegetables on the stainless steel worktop. "I'm seeing him." There's a satisfied gloat in her voice, all thick and custardy from the back of her throat. "Yeah, I'm seeing him too." Peg gives me a look, rolls her eyes. "The sex is amazing." I just stand there, don't say a thing. Arthur, he's called, 33 years. It's all of this Italian blood in me is coming alive again, conjuring me like Johnny Depp in Message to the Vampire. And I had to run downstairs, girls. I was like a cheetah running through the jungle. I looked about for some paper and pen. I tell you, it was like some kind of message from above. I just wrote out the menu, flowing through me it was. I was like a medium, taking down the information in a flash, and bish, bash, bosh, out it came. So yeah, you've got a right hand on that.